And yeah, go ahead, honey. And then you're going to want
Yeah, he knows how to do that.
just slightly forward, slightly forward. Okay, put it in gear all the way, honey. Hit it!
You want me to come out there? Should I come out there? Okay!
Nice job, Dylan!
It was so funny because when he first took off, he turned around here and looked at us instead of looking at where he was.
I knew it. He's like, this is no big deal. Here I come. That was so amazing!
Pretty awesome.